finally, a working TWRP with decryption fix has just been released for Poco F6 and Redmi Turbo 3. Kudos to the ever-active devs. Here's a quick guide on how to properly install the latest TWRP in your Poco F6 and Redmi Turbo 3. As noted on the changelog, this initial release works only on AOSP ROMs like the Evolution X. You can start by powering down your device and rebooting to fast boot mode by holding volume down and power button simultaneously. Now, connect your device to your computer via USB cable. You need to download the TWRP image and platform tools and save them on your computer. Drag the TWRP image into the platform folder and open CMD to flash. Just follow the flashing commands as demonstrated in the video. After flashing, reboot to recovery to test if it's working properly, including the decryption. Let's reboot to system to show that the system is still working properly and have not been corrupted. There you go. You have safely installed the latest TWRP on your Poco F6. If this video guide helps you, please don't forget to hit a like and subscribe for more video guide. Cheers.